Okay, so here's the deal. The big secret I've been sitting on. Montgomery Micros finally has a more official place. We've moved. So over the last 2 weeks, we actually started the moving. So as my feet are killing me from moving all day and I'm about to eat dinner with my wife, here is the montage of moving into the new space called The Lake. So the moving has started. We're going to try to get stuff out of here in an hour and a half. Don't know if we're going to make that deadline or not, but move to another unit so we don't have to pay rent on this one before rent becomes due again. So, not much time to film. Next round. We might get it done by 7. Almost done. Look, there's some Commodores in there.
Commodore pet?
No pets. Just Vic 20s and 64s. One or two more trips ought to do it. Well, we got everything out. Now, if we can just get all this in to the other unit, then we're done. We're out of here. So, I didn't know I was going to be moving out of this place so quickly. When something happens, it just happens. But it was really cool. Gentlemen, it has been a privilege playing with you tonight. Okay, with the help of John, what time is it? We got all this stuff moved, what, in an hour or less?
Yeah, probably about right at an hour.
I can't believe that we got all that moved. Now I'm gonna go downstairs and sign out on mine, and then the next phase starts after Christmas on Saturday morning. Very exciting. Let me lock this up, then let's get out of here. Moving day has arrived. Most of the stuff that's in here, actually all the stuff that's in here, is not ours. But we're getting stuff in.
Too much clearance here.
We got clearance, Clarence. What's your vector, Victor?
A little snugger than I thought. I'm glad I didn't know that backing it in.
We have gotten all of this done now. Massive sorting to go through. Now to put the stuff in my car back on top of my shelf here. So today is January 4th, the last day moving out of U-Haul and into the new place. And there's this huge free pile, and I've scored cool stuff here before. And how perfect. I found this little desk and chair. And I think this is the absolutely perfect setup for a retro computer like a Commodore 64 or an Apple II or a cocoa. I mean, absolutely perfect. So I snagged it from the free pile, and it's coming with us to the new place. I'm waiting for everybody else to get here now so we can start the arduous task of moving the rest of this stuff, and my back is hurting already. Here we go. I'm gonna miss about this place is the view. No, not that wretched TV show. The actual view of the city and everything. And I had not planned on moving out of here so quickly. So there was still a lot of stuff I wanted to do in old 5196, but it's not mine anymore. Today, this is the one we have to empty. But yes, being here, you have a really cool sight line of downtown Montgomery. Really cool view. Was that John?
Next call, just getting off the sun for a second.
So, it's not just computers in here. It is a lot of stuff. My sister used to have that exact printer. I'm not sure if that's the same one, just missing a plastic piece. So we have a little assembly line going here. Oh, another one has come down. So my task right now is packing stuff and loading it, and then John and Robert are taking it down. And still waiting, what's not in the assembly line yet. All this still has to come out. And I got to pack all these together. So remember, a lot of this stuff is going to be for sale. I have to make heads and tails of everything. No more carts. I'm caught up for the time being. But the elevator just stopped on the first floor, which is still shows the old building. Oh, cool. I'll let you come look around in a second too. Just, I don't know if you have to hold the elevator there or not. It might just let you out. Man, this building was plush when it was made.
Yeah.
You want to stick that in the doorway there? Yeah, I guess there really ain't much more to it than that. So we're underneath the building. Cool. What's that? Like conduit? And now the unit itself is empty. All that's left to go into the moving truck now is what's left of the second load. My feet hurt badly.
So,
Really, it's kind of bittersweet. 5196 was mine. And then we just moved everything out of 5198. So this is the last time up here. Sorry, I'm a very sentimental guy. All right, now let's go to the Link warehouse. Goodbye, U-Haul. On to the Link. So this warehouse is the big surprise I've been talking about. This is what we're calling the Link because Robert, the other guy that's going in with me on this, started one of Montgomery, Alabama's first ISPs called the Link. And a lot of his equipment, well, you can't see because we are still obviously unpacking and organizing, but a lot of the original ISP equipment, the Boca boards and everything are in here. And so now this space, we have some office space in the front, and then a lot of this stuff is not ours and has to be cleared out, so it's got to be organized. But now we actually have a proper place to go through all our retro computers and do all that good stuff. So we have been, it is about 3:30 in the afternoon right now. We started at 10 o'clock. My feet are killing me. We still have all this to unload. God help us find a spot for it. And then there might be an adult beverage in my future. I don't know. Anyway, that's it. That's the big secret. So we're finished. Not much room to do anything yet, but that will change. There will be. So we've got proper office space and even bathroom with a shower and plenty of room to add loft if we want to. But that's it.